We are so excited to go with the puppy.
Are you excited?
Yes, of course.
Okay, I'm gonna climb here. Up, up. Now I'm gonna jump. Splash! Splash, splash, splash. Come on, Elsa.
Okay, here I go.
Come, come, come. Jump, jump.
3, 2, 1. Wee! Jump!
Sit down.
Okay.
And now, Anya, come.
Elsa,
Don't worry.
can you move?
It's
Okay.
not deep water.
I'll just stay over here. Okay, here I go.
Don't jump on us.
Scared.
Anya.
Fine. First one. Yay, I did it.
And I'm gonna show you how you go down the slide. I'm
Okay,
gonna go right here.
go.
And you climb up these colorful steps. One, this is yellow, blue, and pink. And now let me sit down.
Go ahead.
Here I go. Woo-wee!
Was that fun, Chelsea?
Of course, go try it.
Elsie, you can go first. Fine.
Oh, Anya, you will see how much fun it is.
And the steps are yellow, blue, and pink. Oh, that's cool. Yellow, blue, and pink. Here I go. And whee! That was fun. Yay, splash, splash, splash. Okay, Anya, now it's your turn. Here I go, girls. Whee! That was actually fun. Splash, 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 splash.
Good idea, Anya. Splash, splash, splash. Whoa!
Let's have a splash fight.
I'm gonna stay over here.
Oh, Chelsea, you're so funny. I'm gonna splash you.
Splash!
Whoa,
Splash!
Anya, are you okay?
Anya! I'm just
Whoa.
gonna lie down in the water!
Splash, splash.
Watch out below! Here I come! Whee!
Now I want to go. 3, 2, 1, go. Whee!
And go down the slide too, Anya.
Here comes Shopkins Season 5. Yay!
Hey, these are my Shopkins, Anya.
So what? Let's just play with them. Here they come.
What do you
now
mean,
a lot
so
of
what,
coming.
Anya? Oh, whatever. I guess
Here
we can
come
play with them.
more. And
Yay.
one more's coming. Yay!
Come inside now, Anya.
Woo!
Let's get some.
Shopkins.
And splash them in the water. Oops, not in the water. Not
I
in the
found
grass.
an electric glow. Woo! Yay! Oh, I found Tammy Tambourine.
Okay, and now I'm gonna jump. Wee!
That's funny. What is this in the pool?
It's grass. Ew, it looks kind of yucky.
Yeah.
Okay, girls, let's take the Shopkins out and put them on this tray. Come on. Bailey baseball glove.
I'm gonna put this one here and that one there.
And barbecue. Okay, I'm gonna take this laptop out.
Tammy Tambourine.
And Snorky. Let's bring Tasty Toast.
Snarky, the fish.
And Lynn Lamp. A
Grace
laptop.
baseball bat. Wait, let's put them all stand
And a barbecue.
there. Walter watering
Jane Frame,
can.
a little petkin. And are there any
Walter
more?
watering
Just a bit
can.
more. Bailey baseball glove.
Over here. And one more.
And this is a computer mouse. Okay,
Cookie
we're
mouse.
done.
Yay! We're done.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Bye. Thank you for the play date, Chelsea.
You're welcome. You can come anytime you want.
Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Visit our channel and subscribe for more videos.